If you are working for a client website and you want to show the WordPress admin login page and the dashboard panel with customized features and controlled access when you're handing over the website to your client. So we are going to be using a plugin called White Label CMS to do this. Hello guys, I'm Nanda Kishore and welcome to Digital on K YouTube channel. I make videos on web design, digital marketing and how-to videos. So if you haven't subscribed yet, then make sure you hit the subscribe button down in this video and turn on that notification bell to all so that you'll be updated with the notification when I post a new videos on my YouTube channel. Alright, let's get started. I have logged into my own website. It looks very basic and you don't want to present it to your client like this. And for them, definitely it will be confusing if they are using the WordPress for the first time. Where to go, what to do. So we will do some customization with a plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and add new and search for White Label CMS. As you can see, 100,000 active installations. Make sure you install this one, and once it's done, just click on activate. Now go to settings and you'll find White Label CMS. Just click on that, and now I'm going to take you through the entire process on how to set this up. Under this developer branding, you can set your details, developer name, developer URL, and this will appear in the footer, and when your client sees, they will think that you are the one who did everything. And then footer text, again I'll put Digital on K. Click on next. Under client's branding, you're gonna have to put your client's business name. So for the tutorial purpose, I'll just put Digital RNK itself. And then we have to upload your client's business logo. I have created my logo. I'm just gonna upload that. For Retina logo, it's basically they are technically twice the size of pixel dimensions, which looks great on Retina screens. You can try that as well. So I'm gonna leave it and click on save. We got some more options. Hide WordPress logo and links. It's turned on now, which means you're not gonna see the WordPress logo and links. You can turn that off if you want WordPress logo to be displayed. Also, you can hide the WordPress version number which appears in the footer. Custom page titles replaces with your client's name. Alright, now we have admin bar branding, which is right up here. This is where you are gonna add your company logo. Let me add that. Admin bar all text replaced with the Digital RNK. I'm gonna replace howdy text to hello there. If you want to remove them, just give a space and leave it empty. Admin bar URL replaces with digitalrnk.com. Next up, we have side menu branding. That's right here, which appears at the top of the side menu. So I'll upload that. Collapse side menu, I'll add that as well. Side menu link URL. That's the URL for the side menu image. And you can set the side menu all text. I want Digital on K here. Next we have footer branding. Basically, you can replace the default WordPress footer text, image and URL to your company name, logo and URL. Click on save. As you can see, the changes replaced the WordPress icon to Digital on K logo even in the sidebar. And if I scroll all the way down, here you can see the footer text got changed and the welcome message, hello there Nanda Kishore. Next, let's switch to login. Under login, where we can customize your client's WordPress WP admin login page. As you can see, it pulls the logo of your client. You can adjust the width and height of the logo, stretch the background image and upload background logo. I'm going to keep the background image position to center and I don't want the image to be repeated. To see the changes you have made in the live login page, just click here to see the live preview. It looks messed, so let me fix the image height and width. So I'll give it 200 width and 70 height. Let's click on preview now. Yeah, looks much better. Next we have some advanced options. Here you can hide register or lost password link so that you can eliminate unknown person simply requesting your password. This appears below your login form. I'm gonna turn that on, and also I'm gonna hide back to link. Next we have form background color, form label color, form button color. I'll make it spring green, which is my brand color. Basically you can customize the appearance of the background color, text color, and so on. I'm not gonna go deeper into that. Just try them out and customize it according to your requirement. If I click on live preview, yeah, this is how it looks and it is fine for me. Click on save. We can also customize our dashboard. We can add a dashboard icon, dashboard title, and in this you can hide which users you don't want to see the dashboard panel. By default it is set to hide all dashboard panels, but you can specify which options should appear. You can create custom and welcome dashboard panel. Here we can showcase the links to the help files you have made for your clients. Let's create our own welcome panel. You can do it with basic HTML. I will add text, hello, welcome to Digital RNK. So I'm gonna make this full width and check dismissible. So this options lets you to dismiss the message. Now click save. I'll go here and click refresh. As you can see, this is how it looks, basic. Yeah. You can also make this looks better by using Elementor or Beaver Builder Pro. You can check that out. You can also add second panel for different users. We have RSS dashboard panel. Down here, you can update your client with up-to-date info with what you are doing in your business by setting up RSS feed. Next, let's go to menu. Here you can choose which menu option you wanna hide for your clients. If you turn them off, like posts, pages, or menus, it won't be visible to other users except the white label CMS super admin and admin. Now go to settings, hide front-end admin bar. This admin bar you can turn them off or on depending on your need. You can hide the L box, hide screen options, which can be confusing for your clients, nag messages which you need to update things, so hide them for all user roles including admins. You can add custom CSS for admin if you want. Finally click save once you are done. So that's it guys. If you want to know how to create custom admin theme, then I'll be making a separate video on that. So make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest informative video on Digital RNK YouTube channel. Guys, I have provided some useful links in the description box, so please check them out. I'll see you in my next video. So as always, keep learning new things and share your knowledge. Bye.